Amara, you light up the sky with every breath.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we'll be making okra soup. Yeah, today is cooking vlog, so I'll be making okra soup. So join me in the kitchen and don't forget to like and subscribe. Enough further ado, let's start. So these are the things we'll be needing for this soup. We have crayfish, fresh okra, red oil, fresh fish, fresh pepper, chicken, red meat.
Fall deeper into you. The world can turn, but I'll be here with you. Amara, oh Amara, I'm lost in what we do. We paint our story in the stars above, through the highs and lows, through every shove. You pull me close, I feel the flame in the fire of your heart. I'm never the same. The days are sweet, the nights are wild. Amara, you make me feel like a child. We run with the wind and dance with the rain. Life with you, love, it's never in vain. Life with Amara, it's a melody so true. With every step, every beat, I fall deeper into you. The world can turn, but I'll be here with you. Amara, oh Amara, I'm lost in what we do. Oh Amara, you are the sun that lights the way when the day is done. We'll walk this road hand in hand, a love so deep you'd understand. Life with Amara, it's a melody so true. With every step, every beat, I fall deeper into you. The world can turn, but I'll be here with you. Amara, oh Amara, I'm lost in what we do. Oh Amara, Amara, the song never ends. In this life, with you, we'll always transcend. So let's stay here, just me and you. Amara, oh Amara, forever it's true. Amara, Amara, the song never ends. In this life with you, we'll always transcend. So let's stay here, just me and you. Amara, oh Amara.
So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.